Sun is setting on my strength again. I'm standing in the shadows of what might have been. My hands are empty, but my heart is full of cries. I'm looking upward with these tired, teary eyes. We are waiting, Lord, we need you. They say your timing is the perfect way, but it feels like forever, day after day. I've reached the end of all my human plans. Now I'm just resting in the hollow of your hands. One touch